As a business owner, it's important to keep an eye on the numbers to make sure that your business is going in the right direction. One of the things that I've done to help me keep those numbers in front of me is create a folder, and within that folder I have my various dashboards and important websites that I need to go look at a regular basis. Let me show you how to do that. The first thing that I want to do is make sure that my bookmarks bar is on. In this case, it already is on, but just to show you how, I'm going to use a Chrome browser, and the three dots allows me to customize Google Chrome. I'm going to select that, choose bookmarks, and then I just want to make sure that there's a check mark by show bookmarks bar. So I can turn that on and off as I want. So in this case, I turned it off, and now I'm going to go back and turn it right back on. So that's the first thing that you want to do. Now I want to create a folder where I can put my dashboards. To do that, I'm going to go to this little gray area on my bookmark bar and right click, and one of the options I have is add a folder. So I'll go ahead and click on that. Now I can give my folder a new name. So I'm going to call it Dashboards and save. You'll find that new dashboard probably at the end of the list. So you'll have to scroll down and grab it and hold down your left mouse button. You can drag that up and then move it to a location where you want it to be. And so now there is my new folder ready to add dashboards to it. To add a web page or one of your dashboards to your folder is quite easy. Navigate to the particular page, make sure that it is entirely selected, and then click on it and hold it and drag it to your folder. And now when you click on your folder, you'll see that your web page has been placed in there. So you can navigate to any page that you want in order to see that particular page. So if I wanted to, I could go to customize and say I have a dashboard, right? I can go to my custom campaign dashboard. So I can bring up that particular page, click on it, and then drag it to my dashboards. And now I have custom campaigns analytics. Let's go back to dashboards. Maybe I want a different dashboard. I want to look at my site performance dashboard. Another way of doing this is to click on, in the case of Chrome, click on the star to bookmark this page, and it will give you an option to choose which folder that you wish to put it in. And I'm going to click on dashboards and click on done. And so now I have, that particular folder, site performance dashboard analytics. With these items, maybe I wish to rearrange them. So I can click on one, hold the mouse button down, the left mouse button, and I can drag it. And now I've moved that within my dashboard. If I want to get rid of it, I would right click on it and then I would select delete. And now it removes it from that particular folder. And that's all there is to putting dashboards in there. When you're thinking of dashboards, in my case, I have various dashboards for AdSense. I have my Amazon affiliate program. I have my YouTube channels. I have a variety of dashboards for various web pages. Google Tag Manager, AdWords is there, my PayPal, and then for some clients, I have some of their dashboards in there. But basically, they're at a touch. If I wanted to, let me close this particular page, I could right-click and say open all 11 of the dashboards at one time, and it will open all of those, and I can just walk through and look at each one and make sure that I am on track. So this is basically the power of putting those all into one folder, ready to go at a mouse click, and you can keep an eye on your business. If you have questions, give me a shout in the comments below or just leave me some feedback. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. I'd be grateful for that. Or subscribe to the channel and stay in touch with other videos that I put together for you. So I'd love to hear from you, and let me know how I did.